Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial of Alert Manager Enterprise. In this video we will be setting up a workflow action to extend the AME GUI so that analysts can use information within AME events to look up data in external systems. Our demonstration today focuses on a security use case where we have a security analyst using AME. The analyst is looking at an event, and in this case an inbound port scan event, and the analyst would like to find out more information about the source IP. This is a typical security analyst workflow where information such as indicators of compromise need to be looked up in external systems such as threat intelligence feeds. In this case, we will be looking up the source IP in an external field, and for our example, we will be using VirusTotal. So we will be going to VirusTotal, and we will be entering the specific source IP that we want to look up. And here we have the verdict for the specific indicator. And what we are interested in is the URL here at the top. And we will be inputting this into our workflow action to allow the system to pivot from the one to the other. To achieve that, we will go to Splunk. We will click on Settings, Fields, and here at the bottom on Workflow Actions. I will click New Workflow Action, and I will provide a name. I will provide a label. And here it is important to note that we can use token substitution. So the specific field that we would be looking up will be substituted in this label whenever the field is present. Here it's important to constrain the workflow action to our specific source IP field, which means that this will only show up for events that have a source IP as notable. As I mentioned, the important component here to stitch the two together is the URI. We will be copying that from VirusTotal, and again here we will be substituting the token for our notable field, which is in this case the source IP. The rest of the settings can stay the same, and we can now simply save this workflow action. Going back to the AME console, here we simply reload the page. And now whenever we have an event within AME that has a source IP as notable, for example, here we have another inbound port scan event with a source IP, and now we see we have the action button. If the analyst clicks on the action, here we can see it is already populated, the label for this action. And when the analyst clicks on this specific link, it pivots to VirusTotal and shows the analyst the verdict for the specific indicator. This can, of course, be used in your environment with whatever system you wish to pivot to. Things like CMDB, if you are looking up personnel records in terms of an HR use case, maybe joiner dates for specific people. All of this you can link into your AME events for your specific use case. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we will see you soon for our next installment of our AME tutorials.